Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Duke Energy Corporation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by researching Duke Energy Corporation to understand its business model and market position. Visit the official Duke Energy website and review their financial statements and reports. Check reputable financial news websites for recent articles and analysis on Duke Energy. Consider the company's dividend history, as Duke Energy is known for its consistent dividend payments. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Look for a broker that offers commission-free trading or low fees to optimize your investment. Complete the necessary paperwork and verify your identity as required by the brokerage. Fund your account by linking your bank account and transferring the desired investment amount. Once your account is funded, search for Duke Energy Corporation using its ticker symbol DUK. Analyze the current stock price and decide on the number of shares you want to purchase based on your budget and investment goals. Select the type of order you wish to place, such as a market order or a limit order. Review and confirm the details of your order to ensure accuracy. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about any news or developments related to Duke Energy that may affect your investment. Consider setting up alerts through your brokerage for significant stock price changes. Review your investment strategy periodically and adjust your holdings if necessary based on market conditions or company performance. Stay patient, as investing is often a long-term endeavor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.